with a super late video, a little quick video. I've been working on this decal with the help of Flash Custom Designs. It's just been crazy. I shouldn't be doing this, but today we're gonna put the first decal on the Kia, and it's gonna be straight out of content Instagram. Again, this is Mr. Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content, and that's the reason why I'm putting Straight Outta Content on here, because that's really the main channel. I also will put Carl's Garage on here somewhere else, maybe here or somewhere else, but this right here was not easy. We will soon be selling these at Flash Custom Designs on Instagram. We soon will be selling these, but I just wanted you guys to see me put the first decal on my. Actually, this is the first time I've ever put a decal on my car ever. So all the cars I've ever owned, this is my first time. This is actually transfer tape. I want to line this up. Make sure this thing is right. It's not perfect, but hey, and if this is your first time watching this video, make sure you check out all my other videos, okay? And please hit that like button, subscribe. I'll leave a link down to Flash Custom Designs where you can get other decals like this, any custom decal you want. I wasn't going to record this video, but again, I'm here to show you at Carl's Garage. We show you the things you might go through when doing something. And this is not easy. I've been working on this for about 3 hours. So you want to squeeze in on there really good. You want that vinyl to stick. And as you see, I don't know if you see up here, but I've already tried this and I had to use glue gun to get the other one off. All right. I use the felt side. This one I don't rip this up. All right, let's see what happens. Guys, you have no idea how happy I am because this took forever. This is gonna make me cry. This took forever. It's actually reflective too. At least that's the type of vinyl that we got. Yeah, get a good shot of that. Straight out of content. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. As you see, make sure you go follow Straight Outta Content on Instagram. It's actually straight out of. I'm working on getting verified so it can just be straight out of, like my YouTube. My YouTube is straight out of OUTTA. So that's what I'm working on. Please hit up Flash Custom Designs. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can DM us because in-house I made this. We make anything vinyl. We make shirts, merch. Hit us up for merch, hit us up for cups, you name it. Also decal. So I'm gonna really, once I get the hang of this, I'm gonna really decal the hell out of my car. I'm gonna stay with reflective, but I might do some other designs. Maybe do a custom license plate with Carl's Garage. I'm just gonna kind of play around with some things, guys. But stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, be safe. Peace.